The next species I'm going to show you is the skunk cabbage, growing here on the edge of the bog. So growing in really wet, swampy sites. Really important plant in the spring. It's one of the first things to come up. And what's cool about it is the bears actually rely on the skunk cabbage to feed on it, and it helps them pass their plug in their digestive system that kept them from defecating throughout the winter. So basically, it's a poop block remover for spring bears when they come out of hibernation. So you'll see, really notice the yellow spades that come out. In the spring, you can see them when you're driving along the highway in low, wet, swampy areas. So this is the flower. Here it grows on this spade or stalk, and there's actually like multiple little flowers growing on that stalk, and then it's just a big decorative bract in behind it. So we call it skunk cabbage because of the skunky smell. It gets very large, simple leaves. These leaves are very tiny. They're still unraveling, you can see here. I'll try to insert a photo if I can figure out the technology of myself in a skunk cabbage that we found in the fall. With gigantic leaves that standing up, they came almost up to my chest. So you can use them for food storage. Use the leaves similar to what you would use wax paper for. I've made fruit leather on them, so you mash up your fruit and dry out your fruit leather on the giant leaves of the skunk cabbage. So practical uses to this plant as well. You don't want to eat it, but you can use the leaves for cooking tools. So skunky odor, giving its name skunk cabbage.